Hello guys, how you guys doing? Okay, did an Iranian official finally admitting that indeed shot down an Ukrainian passenger jet 737 Boeing 737-800? Did Iranian official military now admitting that indeed the Ukrainian passenger jet Boeing 737-800 was actually brought down by the air surface missiles brought down by Iranian military unintentionally, because the Iranian, they said that the plane was steering toward military sensitive area. So this means that they actually stamped the President Donald Trump allegations about they had highly confidence that actually the Ukrainian passenger jet airplane actually unintentionally, maybe a human error, actually Iranian military brought down that plane by shooting that plane down. So how did the American knew? Is the American intelligence talked to Ukrainian pilot to steer that plane very close to an Iranian sensitive military compound? Did an American intelligence communicated with the Ukrainian pilot to steer that plane close to Iranian sensitive military compound? Why the Ukrainian pilot steering this passenger plane very close to an Iranian sensitive area? And as you know, before this plane actually crashed, the Iranian actually sent the barrage of ballistic missiles to an American base in Iraq, Al-Assad Air Base and Erbil Air Base. So, did the American intelligence advised the Ukrainian pilots to steer the plane very close to an Iranian military sensitivity, to an Iranian military sensitive area, so that that plane can be shot down? Then Americans, they come up that, oh, we have certainty that maybe unintentionally, maybe human error, maybe the Ukrainian 737 Boeing 737-800 actually shot down by the surface to air missiles by Iranian military. So oh man, it's like during when was that? The American Navy ship actually shoot down the Iranian passenger jet. You know, there's a lot of incidents in a war zone. There's a lot of incidents in a war zone, you know. So here we go now. So this is actually stamping the accurate of an American allegations that the Ukrainian passenger jet actually brought down by the air surface missiles by the Iranian military. And the Canadian Prime Minister also stamped that. So they knew what is going to happen. They knew if this plane is going to steer very sensitive American to very sensitive an Iranian military compound. This plane, there's a possibility this plane will be shot down. And here we go. Finally, Iranians military officials actually admitting that indeed the Ukrainian Boeing 737 737/800 Ukrainian passenger jet, Boeing 737/800 actually shot down by the Iranian military. Okay, because they said unintentionally. This is a human error. Okay, this is a human error. You know, it's not that okay we're gonna bring down this plane. No, this is a human error. Okay, unintentionally. Okay, I want you to understand that. All right, I know people out there that hate an Iranian people there hate Iranian nation. Please, this was a human error. It's happening like many years ago. An American Navy shoot down an Iranian passenger jet, killing over 300 people. And we have all incidents, all right? Malaysia airline in Ukraine, you know. We have Russian airline in, you know, it's happening in a war zone. That's why when the sensitive area, in a war zone, the officials who actually working on that airfield, you know, airfield plans, they need actually to warn people that, you know, we're on the brink of war. So all the planes, all the passenger planes, civilians passenger planes, all stand down, all of them grounded before, after, or before the barrage of missiles was launched from Iran to an Iraqi American air base. Anywhere, any country, if there is a blink of war, all the passenger planes need to be grounded. Okay? Need to be grounded because this is a war zone. Okay? All right. The Iranian military officials finally they said that yes, indeed, the Iranian military shut down the Boeing 737/800 and Ukrainian passenger jet. So what next? So what next? I know the Western media, they are spinning this. Now I know an American government officials and Canadian government officials, even NATO now, they are spinning this, blaming Iran. Okay, but we have the history of the planes shot down in a war zone. Okay, this is not the first time. It's a human error. So feel so sad, and our prayer and thoughts goes to the deceased, to the deceased family, you know, on this plane crash. Now, especially the loss of Canadian, Iranian Canadians, and also the Iranians. Over 63 Canadians, many of them are Iranians, dual citizenship Iranians, and over 82 Iranians as well, and Swedish, British, and Ukrainian citizens perished on this plane. So our prayer and thoughts goes to these families. I hope you're going to find peace. Please do not instigate a war and go demonstrating, oh, down with Iran, down with Iran. No, please be peaceful and let the peace prevail. And all right, guys, be safe there, be calm. We'll see what will come next. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.